What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to solve this equation. 2 times cosine squared for theta minus 1 equals to 0, and we need to find out theta between 0 and 2 pi. So we're gonna say 2 cosine squared for theta equals to 1. Then when you move -1 to the other side, then we divide both sides by 2, so that's gonna be 1 over 2, then square root, it's going to be cosine 4 theta equals to plus minus 1 over 2, or plus minus 1 over root 2. So it means that if it's 1 over root 2, 4 theta is going to be pi over 4, pi minus pi over 4. If it's -1 over root 2, it's going to be 4 theta equals to pi plus pi over 4, 2 pi minus pi over 4. So which are pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4. Then, since it's 4 theta, it means that we can extend it more. So when it says theta is between 0 and 2 pi, it means that 4 theta is between 0 and 8 pi. So the answer is going to be 4 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4, pi over 4 plus 2 pi, 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi, 5 pi over 4 plus 2 pi, 7 pi over 4 plus 2 pi, pi over 4 plus 4 pi, 3 pi over 4 plus 4 pi, 5 pi over 4 plus 4 pi, 7 pi over 4 plus 4 pi, and we have pi over 4 plus 6 pi, 3 pi over 4 plus 6 pi, 5 pi over 4 plus 6 pi, 7 pi over 4 plus 6 pi. So we're supposed to have 16 answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that's gonna be, these are the 4 pi. Pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4, 9 pi over 4, 11 pi over 4, 13 pi over 4, 15 pi over 4, 17 pi over 4, 19 pi over 4, 21 pi over 4, 23 pi over 4, 25 pi over 4, 27 pi over 4, 29 pi over 4, 31 pi over 4. Then you need to divide it by 4, so theta is going to be pi over 16, 3 pi over 16, 5 pi over 16, 7 pi over 16, 9 pi over 16, 11 pi over 16, 13 pi over 16, 15 pi over 16, 17 pi over 16, 19 pi over 16, 21 pi over 16, 23 pi over 16, 25 pi over 16, 27 pi over 16, 29 pi over 16, and 31 pi over 16. So these are gonna be the 16 answers to this question, and this is only when theta is between 0 and 2 pi. So these are the answers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding solving trigonometric equations, trigonometric identities, and other topics in math, chemistry, and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.